yes, we're doing our election coverage from a bar this year. Whether you're celebrating right now or perhaps drowning your sorrows, you've come to the right place, and thanks to a little liquid courage, you'll be hearing some very unvarnished opinions tonight. The Yahoo News team has bellied up to the bar, including Bianca Golodriga and columnist Matt Bai is here as well. We've got a lot of fun guests, including my old friend David Gregory. Hi, David.
Hey, Katie. I'm in the right bar, right?
Yes,
I just want to be sure.
Yes, you're in the right place, David. And, of course, no party would be complete without a photo booth, and we've got one compliments of our friends at Twitter right here tonight. Check out our pictures all night long at Yahoo News. And also something fun, acapella is all the rage, so we brought the Georgetown Chimes in. Hi, guys. How are you? Nice, clean-cut gentleman from Georgetown. And
Just Deb right in the middle.
Do a quick number for us right now. Hit it, boys. Thank you, guys. We told you this